It started with simple trucks. No drivers, no complaints, just machines learning how to move. At first, no one panicked. Driving was dangerous, repetitive, replaceable. So we let machines take the wheel, then warehouses followed, then ports, then factories. There was no single announcement, no moment when someone said, "This is the end." Jobs didn't vanish overnight, they simply stopped asking for humans. By the late 2020s, factories no longer needed lights, or lunch breaks, or hands. They worked endlessly, flawlessly, without rest. Manual labor, once the backbone of civilization, became a memory. Children stopped asking, "What do you do for work?" They asked, "What do you create?" Productivity soared, efficiency peaked, and humanity stepped aside. When machines mastered survival, humans were left with something unfamiliar. Time. We once worked to live. Then machines worked so we could exist. Now, humans only dream.